Hi beauties and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy and today I'm going to show you how I got this Valentine's Day makeup look. If you're curious how I got the look, just keep watching. We're going to start by mixing the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation with the Save Beauty highlighter. This is going to work as our base. Next I'm going to use the CoverGirl concealer to cover up any blemishes. Which, by the way, this CoverGirl concealer is supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So if you're looking for a more affordable option, this is a great one. Next, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread. I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes and any oily T-zone area. So I'm realizing you can't see my face that well in the heart-shaped mirror, but I think it's cute and Valentine's Day themed, so I might just turn around so you can see me like this. This is after I just put the translucent powder on. Next, I'm going to apply the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. And here is the highlighter applied. Next, I'm going to apply the Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. And here is what the bronzer looks like on. Next, I'm going to be using the Flower Nose Blush in the shade Very Merry. The goal is to get our cheeks very pink and flirty and blushed. So I'm going to be doing this one because it's a bit more pink than my Rare Beauty blush. And this is what the blush looks like applied. For the base of our eyes, I'm going to start with the Sweet Tarte Double Shot palette in my obviously most used color, which is Whipped Cream. You can use a brush, but I usually just apply my bases with my finger. And here is what that matte cream base did to my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go in with a color that I don't normally use. It's coming from the Naked Urban Decay Smiley palette, I think that's called. It's been a while since I bought this. I'm going to apply the Modern Mystic because that's on the pinker side and I want a little bit of a pink blush look. So I'm going to apply this more towards the center of my lid. I think I'm going to add some of the upper color. It's a bit more of a sparkly pink. This pink's just coming out a bit more orangey than I had hoped. Okay, so here we have the two pink shades on the center of my eyelid. Now this probably looks pretty funny right now because it's in the center of my eyelid and I don't have my shadowing done. Plus none of it's blended, so let's just continue. Next I'm going to be using the YSL palette for my darker shade. I'm going to try out this bottom right one that's more on the brownish pinkish side. I'm hoping that's going to blend well with the pink that we have on the lid already. Now I'm using a thinner brush to go underneath my eye, but only on the outer edge. You don't want to continue the eyeshadow all the way through your eye because it'll make it look a lot smaller. And now I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend this out. And here are my lids with the darker shade applied and with everything blended in. And now it's time for eyeliner. I'm going to be using these two shades of Makeup Forever pencils. These are Limitless Brown and All Around White. The brown I'm going to be using on the bottom part of my lower lid. And the white pencil I'm going to put on my waterline. Do you see the white eyeliner on my waterline? And then I'm going to go right underneath it. So not on the waterline, but right under here to make it pop. And here's how it looks with the darker shade on the bottom. Remember not to go all the way, only carry it to like maybe around where your pupil falls. You can go a little bit past that, but I would not go too far to close your eye. Next, I'm going to be applying the Stila liquid eyeliner. The color is an intense black. It's one of those marker eyeliners. Honestly, mine's pretty old and probably expired. I definitely need to get a new one. But I just feel like this look needs a cat eye because this is a Valentine's Day look. We're supposed to look flirty and sexy. Okay, so this is gonna be pretty hard to teach, especially because I have to really look at myself doing this. I usually start on the outer edge of my eye and just barely touch it with the marker, just at the edge near my lashes. And I create the thinnest line there. So you definitely want to have a Q-tip handy and maybe some makeup remover. And just dip that in there. So you have this ready if you make any mistakes. Okay, that's a bit more of a straight wing than I usually do. We're just gonna go with it. We're trying our best. That's what we're doing. And then I just reach out and pull. So here is what the wings came out like. I went through a phase where I did winged eyeliner every day in high school, so I was really good at it back then, but now I only do it on really special occasions, so I'm definitely not the best. We're just giving it our all here. But luckily, mascara covers this up a bit. But before we're gonna jump into mascara, I want to do lips. Since this is for our Valentine's Day date, you don't want to have to keep reapplying and reapplying your lip products. I have this lip liner Stay In from Amazon. I think the brand is Gisou Beauty. But this is a lip stain, so it will stay on and it's so good. I love this stuff. This is in the shade Pink. So I'm just going to apply it like a lip liner the best I can. Now you can't get scared of the color because it's going to peel off completely different. And here we have the lip stain applied. I was trying not to move my lips. It kind of gets crusty and it peels off. You have to be really careful because once it peels off, if you breathe in and it goes in your mouth, it'll like melt in your mouth and your mouth will be red. It's weird. Don't do that. While the lip stain is drying, I'm gonna apply this YSL mascara. Okay, it's time to get those Q-tips back out and clean up your mascara. Try to get any stray areas, the corners of your eyes. A lot of makeup will settle in your eyes and it'll send it to the corner, creating like a makeup eye boogie. Don't leave that there. And here we have the look with the mascara. Let's get these lips off because they're driving me insane. I guess I'll do it like facing this way so that you can see it so much better, but I won't be able to see myself. Let me put my mirror over here. I still can't really see. Okay, you know what? Let's just go for it. So you can't let that piece fall in your mouth. Like if you let it fall in your mouth, that shit. Yeah, don't let these dry pieces fall in your mouth because if they touch your wet mouth, it's gonna wet, but it's gonna get the stain all in your mouth and your mouth's gonna be like stained red, so. It's happened one too many times to me. Now I'm gonna take the Q-tip and clean up the edges. Depending on your outfit, you can go with a red or pink lip gloss. I'm gonna go with pink. These are the Gisou lip oils. I do love them. I'm just a little scared to keep them in my purse. I feel like they do leak when they're in my purse, so I just kind of keep these on my vanity at home. So if you're thinking about bringing one out, maybe don't bring these because the packaging will leak. Summer Fridays is my favorite lip balm to bring out and about, so it's just in my purse right now, so we're going with Gisou. Also, if you're curious about how I did my hair, I have a video up on that already. So I'll just put that in the cards. And here we have the lip gloss applied. Okay, let's go ahead and take out the bangs. My favorite part. I always start by kind of grabbing the edges and just blending it in. And then parting them slightly. And there we have it, the completed Valentine's Day makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. With that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.